Hey there, heartthrobs. Ever feel like your ticker's playing a game of Where's Waldo in your chest? No epic Hollywood drama, just a sneaky, silent heart attack lurking like a rogue shadow. Out of the 805,000 heart attacks in the US each year, 170,000 are these silent ninjas, throwing surprise parties in your arteries without even ringing the doorbell. Not cool, heart, not cool. Think of it like your pet goldfish, Bubbles. He's supposed to be swimming happily, but instead, he's belly up, gasping for air. That's your heart, folks. And without a heads up, this silent party crasher can turn into a real game ender. But hold on, lovelies. We're here to spill the tea on the top 10 signs that your heart might be doing the silent disco. Don't miss this video, because your heart deserves a VIP pass to the land of health, not a one-way ticket to the silent disco of doom. Number 10. Trouble sleeping. Your bedtime struggles might be more than an annoyance. A study in Current Cardiology Reviews spills the beans. Restless sleep ups the risk of heart disease. During a heart attack, the left coronary artery throws a party, blocking with fat or a clot. Result: some heart parts lack oxygen, leading to malfunctioning. Your body, the drama queen, responds with alertness hormones, causing insomnia to tag along. If nights are a wrestling match, it's time to pay attention. Your body's whispering serious matters. A checkup might be the bedtime story it needs. Number 9 in our heart talk: persistent flu. The flu that overstays its welcome might be waving a red flag. Studies reveal catching the flu boosts the risk of heart attack and stroke. In 2018, a study found the risk spikes 6 times within a week of getting the flu. The catch? The flu itself won't lead to a heart attack, but it's your body's alarm bell, hinting at potential heart issues. If the flu comes with extras like a faster heart rate, shortness of breath, or chest pain, it's time for a heart checkup. Number 8 on our heart watch list: swollen legs, ankles, or abdomen. When your heart decides to take a coffee break during a heart attack, its blood pumping A game goes MIA. Result? Your lower regions, legs, ankles, and the VIP abdomen join the swelling party. But here's the kicker: your kidneys, the usual MVPs at sodium water boot camp, get confused, causing fluid retention. About 20% of the time, this fluid retention is the heart attack red flag waving. So, if you or a pal starts looking like a balloon animal in these spots, it's emergency mode. Quick action is the superhero. The faster the medical attention, the better the chance of turning a heart attack into a rom-com instead of a blockbuster. Lucky number 7 on our heart watch list: difficulty breathing. Let's talk lungs, the silent heroes doing their inhale-exhale dance. But when they decide to take a breather, it's attention-grabbing. Shortness of breath isn't just a casual need-to-catch-my-breath moment. It's like your lungs lifting weights. Heavy. Making you breathe like a squirrel on caffeine. Maybe it's anxiety, anemia, or an allergic tango. But the main act? Usually a heart or lung situation, especially a favorite among the ladies. Whether it's your heart or lungs throwing a party, shortness of breath is no joke. If you're gasping for air, it's your body saying, "Houston, we have a problem." Number 6 on the heart radar: lightheadedness or dizziness. Picture this: a heart attack RSVPs blocking the VIP entrance for oxygen. Result? Your heart struggles, making the whole operation feel like a failed concert, leaving you dizzy. Twist time: some folks get the dizziness drama without the full heart attack package, a solo act triggered by stress or dehydration. Sneaky, right? Even though stress and dehydration can crash the party, if dizzy spells keep hogging the dance floor, it's doctor time. Better safe than sorry. Let's rule out any serious business causing the spins. Your body's way of saying, "Hey, let's check this out." Halfway through the heart clues, and here's number 5: bloating, nausea, or poor appetite. Ever feel like you just hosted a banquet, even though you nibbled like a rabbit? Or maybe your appetite decided to play hide and seek? Well, listen up, because your body might be dropping hints about heart matters. When your heart is not doing the efficiency dance and fluid decides to stick around where it shouldn't, you end up feeling full without the feast. The plot twist? Your blood flow decides to ditch the digestive party and go mingle with the brain and other VIP organs. Result? Gradual weight and muscle loss, and not in a hit the gym kind of way. So, if your appetite's doing a disappearing act without a clear reason, it's time to hit the health check runway. And hey, if you're enjoying the Heart Talk, hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell. We're just getting started with the heart party. Here comes number 4 in the heart signals lineup, sweating. Now, we all know sweating is the body's way of saying, "Phew, it's hot in here," or "working hard, huh?" But hold on. If you're sweating buckets while Netflixing in your igloo or just chilling like a villain, it might be time to pay attention. Here's the scoop. If you find yourself sweating even when you're in relaxation mode or it's colder than a polar bear's handshake outside, your body might be dropping hints about a potential heart attack. Picture this, clogged arteries making your heart work overtime and your body's response? A sweat fest to cool things down during the extra effort. Now, if the sweat party comes with nausea, dizziness, and feeling like you're on a merry-go-round, don't brush it off. It's checkup o'clock. Your body's giving you the lowdown, so don't ghost the signs. Time to give that ticker a little attention. Number 3 on the heart alert scale, squeezing chest pressure. When your chest decides to throw a tantrum, it's like your heart sending an urgent memo. Something's off. This isn't your typical too many burritos feeling. It's discomfort in your chest, a not-so-friendly squeeze or cramp that lasts for minutes. If your chest hosts this party, it's VIP action time. Act fast to avoid giving your heart a hard time. Sure, it might be non-heart stuff like your esophagus, lungs, stress, or muscle mischief, but better safe than sorry. Keep an eye on that chest, and if it starts acting up, show it some love. Your ticker will thank you. Number 2, on the heart radar, excessive fatigue. Forget the regular "I need a nap" tiredness. This is superhero tired, feeling exhausted all the time. A study by the American Heart Association revealed 70% of 515 women with heart attacks had a backstage pass to unusual tiredness. When your heart is in a pinch, trying to pump blood, it goes into overdrive, leaving you feeling like you've run a marathon in your sleep. Tired for no reason? Your heart might be sending an SOS. Time to listen up and give that ticker some TLC. Number 1, the grand finale. On the heart alarm list, jaw, neck, or upper back pain. Chest pain often steals the spotlight in heart attack signs. But here's the twist. Many who faced a heart attack spill about feeling the pain preview in their neck or jaw. Why? When your heart throws a power-packed party, those cardiac muscles flex hard, and your jaw and neck feel the aftermath. So, if your jaw got mystery pain or your neck's in on a secret, give your heart a little check. It's like a VIP invitation to the Heart Health Club. All right, let's recap. We learned your heart can throw the wildest silent parties without letting you know. And if your body throws up a red flag, any symptoms, even the "oh, is that weird" ones, don't play detective. Head straight to your doctor. Your heart wouldn't want you playing Clue with its health. But if for real, you suspect a heart attack brewing, don't be a hero, skip the self-diagnosing Google rabbit hole and call 911 faster than you can say triple bypass. Remember, even if it seems like a false alarm, you might just be giving your heart the superhero cape it needs. Did this heart-to-heart tickle your funny bone and inform your mind? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, hit that subscribe button for more wisdom so good, your heart will do a happy dance.
Dirty, dirty, know I'm clean, how I'm coming, I can't show no mercy. Know what I mean, know what I need, know I got